Hey guys, welcome back to another Coding Flamingo video. So today, instead of coding, we're actually going to look at the tools that can help you become a better developer and basically what I use every day. And if I miss something that I should be using, please let me know and I'll start using it. So let's get started. First one, I've talked about it before, is GitHub Copilot. It's just great. It uses AI to kind of guess what you're going to type next, saves you a lot of time. You can also tell it like to do some stuff like GUID, and then it'll create one. So it's pretty good. I always say that it's like a junior developer that you can just tell it to do stuff and it will do it. Staying in Writer, another thing I use is either Writer or Resharper. It just helps with a lot of kind of like warnings and stuff to tell you like, hey, you're doing this wrong, you're doing this right. We can see here some of like, hey, this variable is never used. And another one that actually was introduced to it this week, and this is the reason basically why I'm doing the video, is Csharpier. It is a free tool that you can get as a plugin, and basically how I set it up was like I downloaded the plugin here. You can see it, Csharpier, and then I went into Tools, Csharpier, run and save, and then click save. And then when I save it, it actually kind of automatically formats your code. So you can set up some things and be like, hey, like do it this way, and it just makes you follow best practices, makes pull requests way easier, and if everybody in the team is using it, it just makes it so much easier. So this is all in the development side of things, and then I'm just going to jump into Visual Studio, because in Visual Studio I use certain other tools. So I use, once again, Copilot, and the other one that is great is the GitHub pull request and issues. So this one makes it really easy to just see pull requests. So we can see it here, like in the pull request, you can see what the person is working on. You can change stuff if you don't like something and comment and do all that stuff. So it's the best way that I've found to look at pull requests without having to pay or do anything. So yeah, this is one of the main ones I use. Other than that, in here in Visual Studio, obviously GitHub Copilot, Minify to minify CSS files and JavaScript files, and then Spellchecker. So many embarrassing times I've had spelling mistakes. So just having a code spell checker saves me a lot of embarrassing things. So those are the tools that I usually use. Please let me know if there's anything I missed. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.